Core strength premium supplements have been everywhere lately. Dramatic ads, a secret honey remedy, and even famous doctors recommending it. That got my attention, so I wanted to find out what's actually going on here. The idea itself isn't unreasonable. Joint pain is real, and ingredients like glucosamine, quercetin, and omega-3s do appear in legitimate research. So, naturally, I took a closer look, because if something actually works, it's worth knowing about. But this is where things start to fall apart. The ads feature well-known figures like Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Morgan Freeman, and Robin Williams, yet none of them have ever endorsed this product. Independent researchers found that this footage appears to be deepfaked, likely used to create false credibility. Even the documentary-style format is fabricated. Then there's the science. The ads claim your joint pain is caused by something called cavium chloride, but that term doesn't exist in any medical or scientific literature. It appears to be completely invented for marketing. Looking deeper, there's no clear company information, no listed founders, no team, and no verifiable address. And those thousands of five-star reviews? There's no trace of them outside their own website. That's a major red flag. When a product relies on fabricated science and manipulated content, it stops being marketing and starts becoming misleading. If the foundation isn't real, it's hard to trust anything built on top of it. Now here's what actually matters. Joint pain is real, and people dealing with it deserve reliable solutions. Some ingredients, like glucosamine, omega-3s, and turmeric, do have real research behind them, but it's important to choose products that are transparent and independently verified. And, when possible, always consult a medical professional instead of relying on sales pages. I'm glad I looked into this so you don't have to. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this. And if you want more supplement deep dives, check out the playlist on your screen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.